Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. And in this video, as the title says, I want to talk to you guys about BOXYCHARM. I don't know if you guys are aware of this subscription service or if you know about it but just want to hear my point of view. So if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. BOXYCHARM is a monthly makeup subscription, so they send you 5 full-size products and the cost is $21. And they have different brands from Tarte to Pure to like Ofra, crown brushes, cover effects. When you sign up for BOXYCHARM, you can select the brands you want to receive items from. Of course I didn't select Tarte because you know, right? So and then you can select the type of products you want: skincare, hair care, brushes, cosmetics wise. You can choose lip products, lipstick, eyeshadows, blushes, all the jazz. So my experience with BOXYCHARM, like I've been on the wait list for like months, and when I say months, I am not kidding you. I'm talking about months. First I signed up with them and like that card got like it expired, so it wouldn't go through, and I didn't realize that I still had that card information on their system. So I'm like, why taking me months? Why I can't get through? Is so many people go through BOXYCHARM? Like, what happened to little old Leanne? So I did what I needed to do. I corrected that situation, and then I was on it for like 3 months, and then I got a notification that I was off it, and this was last month. That was January, the end, like close to the end of January. That's when I got that email, and I was like, Jesus, praise God, finally I can get my BOXYCHARM box, all the jazz, excitement, ready. They shipped out the February box. Like they take payment like the first week of the month, and then they shipped out the following week. I live in Jamaica, and like when I go online and I'm like, how people get them box already? Like, wow, what is happening? I have to remind myself that I live in Jamaica. So the service I use to ship to Jamaica, they first have to ship to Miami, and then they sort out themselves and then ship it here to Jamaica, and I have to go and pick it up, right? So all of that takes days, so I don't get mine until at the end of the month. The box is $21. They renew that every month. You have the option of paying like 3 months prior, or I think 9 months or something like that. It works out to be cheaper, like a couple dollars less if you do it in bulk, but I just do it per month for now. So I finally got my box, and it is £1, so the box is $21 plus the service I use. That you have to pay per pound for shipping, so they would round it up to £1, and £1 is like $7.50 US, right? So that's like $28.50 to get box and shipping and so forth. So that's about 2,800 Jamaican dollars, and you get 5 full-size products. It's not like Ipsy that give you travel size. These are full-size products, and like in the past I've seen like really amazing products from the BOXYCHARM box. That's why I was so excited to get it, because one time they gave out this Dr. Brandt skincare product, and I got a sample in my Ipsy glam bag, and I was like, Jesus, I want to buy this product, but this product was like $6 for this. I'm like, so yeah, so that's why I signed up for BOXYCHARM, and I canceled my Ipsy because Ipsy was $10 and this is $21, and you get full-size products. So you do the math. So I want to talk to you about the February box. I know we're in March, like it's basically April, basically Christmas, but I want to talk to you about the products I received, if I like it, if it really is worth the hype, right? Before I get into that, actually, if you want the makeup like tutorial for this beautiful spring look, it is up on my channel already. I will leave the information in the iCards right here, and also in the description box below. So run over, and well, after this video you can watch the tutorial. So back to the box. So you get it's a black box. I really love how simple the box is actually, and they don't wrap it up in any special thing. They just tape up the box and ship it, right? You open the box and it says Hello Charmer, and then up here it says BOXYCHARM. And I follow them on Instagram, so I know when they ship out and stuff like that. So the theme for February, remember we're talking about February here. I haven't received my March box as yet, but if you guys are interested in like BOXYCHARM videos, if you want to see what I get in my BOXYCHARM videos, my BOXYCHARM boxes in like during the month and stuff, you guys can let me know, and I can like do a tutorial based on the products I get. So the February theme was Galaxy Glow, and each box comes with a card. So they tell you the theme and step 1, step 2, step 3 on how to achieve like certain rewards from them and following them and so forth. And then on the back of the card it lists the products that you get in the box and the cost of the products. So let's go in, and it's well packaged. Like it's not no flimsy nothing. They give you cushion to protect your products, because remember sometimes they ship out like powder products like eyeshadows and blushes and they don't want that to break. So it's well packed and secure. So the first thing I'm seeing is a three-piece brush set from Crown Pro, and this is the trio brush set. Cost for this is $29.99. It's white handles, white bristles with a little pink at the end. They're really cute, they feel really good, and I haven't washed them as yet, so that's why I haven't used them, but the bristles are really soft. It's so cute. It says use this 3-piece pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. Use a small brush. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. So I actually thought that this was an eyeshadow brush, but it is a concealer brush apparently. And the medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. That's exactly what I had planned to use this brush for. Right, and then it says finally the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place, and that's this here. And it has like little grips in the handles to help with holding it. The next thing in it is the Vintage by Jessica Libeskind. I probably botched that name, but it's a smoky eye pencil in jet black. And the cost for this is $21, a whopping $21. So it says Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides onto lids without tugging or pulling. $21 for an eye pencil. I don't really know about that still. Thanks BOXYCHARM, but I wouldn't go out and buy this pencil just like that. So let's see if it really does glide on actually, you know, and it feels good. Yeah, the pencil, I mean, it's a Cover Effects product that I got in the box, and this is the Shimmer Veil. And this is a really pretty color. Look at it. It can be used for eyeshadow, for glowing the skin, eyeliner if you want, whatever you want to use it for, it's your choice. But it's really pretty. When I just got the box, I had swatched this on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you should. It's right here, JHEN_MU Artistry. So that's this really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty, and it's purple. Has a lot of shimmer. Let's just put that out there. It has a lot of shimmer. So the cost for this shimmer veil is $28, and I know Cover Effects is a really good brand. So these multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. The second to last product is this Pure Exfoliates Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Let's be real, Leah don't need her lips any bigger. I know you were thinking it, I thought about it too, but it's an exfoliator. I used it earlier actually, but what I do is I use it and then I wash it off. Like I exfoliate my lips and then I wash it off. I don't leave it there for it to plump my lips because laying with like I don't need it, right? But it's a really good exfoliator and it tastes really good. Is this edible? I don't think it's edible, but it's going on my lips. Of course, naturally it would get in your mouth. So this is really good. I will definitely be using this, and I think it can, yeah, you can roll it up. Let's see how much product. It's still going. Oh, that's it. So that's the amount of product you get in it, and the cost for this is $17. It's an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. That's why it's so sweet, because sugar is in it. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. I really like this product. I don't know about the plumping factor, but like the exfoliating and soothing and smoothing factors, thumbs up. And then the final product in my BOXYCHARM box is an Ofra blush winter rose glow, and I got a magnetic palette to put it in, and then the blush here, and it's magnetic, so I can just drop it in the case, and voila. So this pop-up palette mini is for $19, and the blush got it refill is for $12. I am really, so I think BOXYCHARM is, I'll put the total figure here for the products based on the card in the BOXYCHARM box. The BOXYCHARM box is definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth it. If you're a beginner in makeup, if you're a makeup artist, if you're a professional, I think this is a nice box. It's a nice way to play with new products you wouldn't generally get up and go buy, or it's a good way to be introduced to products so you can know if these are kit worthy, you can spin a coin, or you can say no, this is not work out. So I would recommend you guys to try it out even for 1 month. You don't have to stay subscribed for the rest of the year. Just try it for 1 month. If you like it, continue. If you don't like it, you don't have to continue. So I will leave my link, like a link for you to use, down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video, me talking about products that I've received. And as I've said earlier in this video, if you're interested in like what I get in my monthly subscription box, just let me know, and I will definitely do an unboxing for you guys, because I really like unboxing. I love watching unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Bye.